G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March 7, 2023. This is the US dollar basket update. We did, on our last update here on this vertical line, we did say there was a this triangular wedge forming between the descending and ascending trend lines. And you can see here it's broken through in the last few hours since our last update. One thing to notice is the CCI on the daily is still in a pretty strong decline, below its moving average. But on the 4 hourly and the hourly, it's also in a decline on the 4 hourly, but it's actually broken through the moving average in the last few hours. On the hourly, it's come and rested on the 400 moving average also, and we may see a decline or we may see a bounce off that. So a couple of things, it's actually broken through this ascending diagonal trend line, which we drew in our last video, and it's broken through that. So looking at the CCIs, definitely on a shorting environment at the moment. Not any times to go long on the dollar, and it may well, if it breaks through on the hourly there, it'd probably see further declines. Now where it may end up, we've drawn this Fibonacci retracement from that high to that low in the last few hours, back to, that's at February, the 2nd of February 2023, and it's actually broken through, or it's resting now on the 23% retracement. So next level of minor support I should say, is a 38% level around that point there. So I'll see where it goes and I'll keep you updated if it drops down to that level, or if it actually bounces and goes further to the upside if it bounces off that hourly CCI 400 moving average. But that's basically where we are at the moment. It's still in a decline overall longer term. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference a playlist at the end of this video or some links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends. If the stock price goes against you. Don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long, so that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.